The Kicker CXA800.1 subwoofer amplifier is incredibly powerful, flexible, and compatible with virtually any source unit. Depending on your subwoofer system, the highly efficient Class D design of the CXA800.1 can deliver 400, 600, or even 800 watts of continuous power. This means you can power almost any subwoofer system, small, medium, or large. As a starting point, you can use the vehicle's factory-installed media center or an upgraded aftermarket media center and connect it directly to the CXA800.1's Fit Plus input. In most cases, you won't need any additional interfaces or adapters. This simplifies the integration of your amplifier. The CXA800.1 has a 2-year warranty from Kicker. When you choose Kicker installation components, the CXA800.1 is guaranteed to perform for 3 years. Speaking of integration, the CXA800.1 is flexible enough that it can be mounted horizontally beneath a seat or vertically behind the seat of a pickup truck. When you need power, flexibility, and simple vehicle integration, the Kicker CXA800.1 delivers.